Good morning, students. Today's topic is phase rule and phase diagrams of one component system and two component system. Before we going to explain the phase rule, we will discuss about few things. The states of matter exist in three states: gases, liquids, and solids. They are existing together with equilibrium. Gases with liquids, liquid and solid and gas. All three phases, solid, liquid, gases, are coexist in equilibrium in ice or water. J. Willard Gibbs expressed the relationship between the heterogeneous phases. This type of systems are seen in liquids and liquids. Phase rule. Phase rule can be expressed by J. Willard Gibbs. The phase rule is a device for relating the effect of least number of independent variants or variables like pressure, temperature, and concentration upon the various phases that exist in equilibrium systems containing a given number of components. While observing the water, it will contain the three phases: gaseous phase, liquid phase, and solid phase. There are exist in equilibrium. There are different types of factors or effect. There are called as independent variables like pressure and temperature and concentration. These effects can be described by phase rule. The Gibbs phase rule is equal to F is equal to C minus P plus 2, where F is equal to degrees of freedom, C is equal to number of components, P is equal to number of phases, or at equilibrium for a system for any composition. The phase rule is most commonly used for determination of purity of a compound for pure solid having a constant temperature and their composition is 1. In presence of impurities, this composition is changes into 2. So based upon the temperature, their values can be changes. This phase rule is also applicable in study of solubility phenomenon and also used for determination of a solubility of a particular compound. Next one, F is equal to C minus P plus 2. There are three primary phases of matter are often defined individually under different conditions, but at equilibrium there are existing coexistence with each other. Gibbs phase rule is equal to F is equal to C minus P plus 2, where P is equal to number of phases, C is equal to number of components are chemically independent constants of the system which describe the composition of each phase present in the system. Independent means if you have equilibrium balance between the reactants and products, the number of components will be reduced by 1. F is equal to degrees of freedom of the system. These are most commonly used for determination of purity of a compound and used in application of solubility. Phase. A phase is defined as a physically distinct and chemically homogeneous portion of a system that has a particular chemical composition and structure. These systems are homogeneous in nature but physically appearance as different. They are chemically homogeneous in system. These physical distinct means they are separated by boundaries to decide the phases. When water in liquid or vapor state is a single phase, water is present in a liquid phase or vapor phase, they are having only one phase. Ice is floating on water is example for two phase system. A system containing liquid and vapors existing together with equilibrium, there are two-phase system. So P is equal to 2. A systems containing gas, liquid and solid exist. The number of phases are 3. Phase, a form of matter that is uniform throughout in chemical composition but physically different. Homogeneous phase and heterogeneous phases. Homogeneous phase throughout the chemical composition is uniform and physical state is water, ice, water vapor, sugar dissolved in water and gases in general. Heterogeneous systems consist of two or more than two phases. These phases are distinguished by each other by boundaries. Boundaries are defined by or observed by phase separation. A cube of ice in water having same physical and chemical properties. Oil in water mixture is heterogeneous system consists of oil and waters. They are easily visible. Examples of phases. Liquid benzene is a homogeneous system, so the number of phases are 1. A mixture of water and alcohol, there are miscible liquids produces, the number of phases is 1. Mixture of water and oil to produce emulsion. Emulsion is a immiscible systems or heterogeneous system, the number of phases are 2. Solution of sodium chloride in water. The sodium chloride is dissolved in a water to produce a solution, so the solution is homogeneous in nature, so number of phases are 1. Mixture of ice, water and water vapor, there are equilibrium with each other, there are heterogeneous in nature, so number of phases are 3. Components can be indicated by C in phase rule. The components is defined as the number of components is the smallest number of constants by which the composition of each phase in the system can be expressed in the form of a chemical formula or equation at equilibrium. It means in equation at equilibrium state, the number of components present in each state can be indicated. By observing some examples, you will understand the components. When sodium chloride is dissolved in a water, it must be dissolved in a water. It contains chemical constants are 4: sodium plus and chloride ions and sodium chloride and water. So because sodium plus and chloride ions are same amount of equal neutrality, so number of components are 2, not a 4. For decomposition of a calcium carbonate, available chemical constants are 3. There are calcium carbonate, calcium oxide and calcium gas. There are 3 components are present. Because of the equilibrium conditions, the number of independent components is reduced by 1. Instead of C is 2 instead of 3. Next one, decomposition of ammonium chloride, the number of components is 3. Is there correct? By observing the reaction, ammonium chloride is solid in state. By decomposition, it will converted into ammonia gas and HCl, hydrochloric gas. So these gases are equilibrium with each other. They are having only one phase. Decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5 is solid in state, PCl3 solid and chloride is gas. Because of equilibrium conditions, the number of independent components are reduced by 1. So components is 2. By observing the another examples, ice and water system, the component is water, there is a equilibrium state, liquid and ices is equilibrium in state, the number of components is 1. In ice and vapor state, components is water and equilibrium occurs between ice and vapor, so number of components is 1. By considering the mixture of oxygen and nitrogen system, the number of components are 2. Next one, degrees of freedom. It is the least number of intensive properties that must be fixed in order to describe the system completely. It means to describe the system completely, the least number of intensive properties are used. It can be called as degrees of freedom. Some examples of intensive properties are temperature, pressure, concentration, refractive index, and density and viscosity. For ideal gas constant, ideal gas equation, PV is equal to RT. The number of intensive properties are pressure, volume and temperature. By observing these following examples, you will consider the degrees of freedom. For pure gas system, the degrees of freedom is 2. The number of component is for gas 1 and number of phases is 1 plus 2. It can be depending on pressure and volume intensive properties, so this is bivariant. For mixture of gases, the number of components are 2 and number of phases are 1. By these gases are mixable with each other, so number of phases are 1. It can be depending on pressure, temperature and concentration of the gases, so it is a trivariant system. Water and water vapor in equilibrium state, number of components is 1, number of phases is 2 and total degree of freedom is 1. It may be affecting on vapor pressure and temperature, so it is called as univariant system. Saturated solution of sodium chloride with dissolved with undissolved solid and vapor, the number of components are 2 and number of phases are 3, so it can be affecting on temperature, so it is a univariant system. Ice water vapor, the number of components are 1 and number of phases are 3. No need to mention the all properties. There are pressure, volume and temperature and concentration can be affected, so it is univariant system. Phase diagram. A phase diagram, a plot a graph in between conditions of pressure and temperature and which two or more physical states can exist together in dynamic equilibrium. By the use of phase diagrams, to observe the conditions of pressure and temperature at which substances can be existing together. A phase diagram has containing the pressure on x-axis and temperature taken on x-axis. The cross lines are curves on the phase diagram indicates phase changes occurs. A phase diagram plot showing the conditions of pressure and temperature and which two or more physical states are existing together at dynamic equilibrium. Phase diagram. For observing the phase diagram, for considering the water, you will understand the properties of phase diagram. Water having one component system. Then plot a graph in between temperature is taken on x-axis and vapor pressure in kilopascals are taken on y-axis. You will observe the three phases: solid phase, liquid phase and gaseous phase are existing together. At a particular point, three boundary lines are intersect at a common point that is called as triple point. At this point, all three phases are coexisting with equilibrium. This graph can be studied by using regions or areas. Second one, lines or curves. Third one is triple point. The three parameters are used for understanding the phase diagram of water for one component system. For triple point, values of water is 610.25 pascals and at 0.0098 degrees centigrade. One component system. Regions are areas. The phase diagram of water contains of three regions: COB, AOB and COA. COB region. In COB region, substance can be existing in solid state. In AOB region, substance can be exist in liquid state. In COA curve region or area, substance can be exist in vapor state. Applying the phase rule of one component system, the number of components is 1, the number of phases are 1, so number of degrees of freedom is 2. Each single phase is having 2 degrees of freedom. It is a bivariant system. It is mainly affecting on pressure and temperature. Next one, lines and curves. In this phase diagram, there are three lines are available: OA, OB and OC. Along with above and below the lines, there are one phase can be existing. At the line, there are two phases are existing. By observing the OA line, these are called as vaporization curve. At this curve, there is the equilibrium state is occurs in between liquid and vapor state. By observing the OB curve is called as melting point or frozen curve. And the line of the curve, there is equilibrium occurs in between solid and liquid phases. For OC curve, it is called as sublimation curve. Along with the curve, substance can be exist in between solid and vapor state. For observing the phase rule for OA curve, the number of components present in a OA curve is 1, the number of phases are 2, so number of degrees of freedom is 1. So each and every curve is having 1 degree of freedom. For triple point, three boundary lines are intersect at a common point called as triple point. At this point, three phases are coexist in equilibrium, means solid, liquid and vapor phases are coexisting with this point. This can be represented by solid, liquid and vapor state. Applying a phase rule for one component system, the number of components is 1, the number of phases are 3, so degrees of freedom is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. It is a non-variant or invariant. In case of water, the temperature and pressure for triple point values are 0.0098 degrees centigrade and 610.25 pascals. This phase diagram of water is useful for selecting the experimental conditions of freeze drying of drugs. In this process, liquid water is transferred into frozen state by employing low temperature below triple point values. At this point, the water is directly converted into gaseous state without formation of a liquid. This principle is used for freeze drying of drugs. The most commonly used drugs, antibiotics, vitamins, serums, powders are dried by freeze drying process. Thank you. The next topic is continued in another class. After class can be completed, the PPT can be sent to group.